So anyway, it was a lot of fun. All right, we'll see you. Good afternoon.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing well. You?
Horrible.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
My brother just passed away, so I gotta go to a funeral.
That's awful.
He died in Germany. Private contractor, military, so gotta go deal with that. So how's it going in the city lately? Oh, thank you, I appreciate it. So you guys still maliciously prosecuting people?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about? So what was the reason? Can I ask you a quick question?
I don't have time.
Oh, you don't have time? You never have time for me. I'm gonna ask it anyways. So what happened with the district attorney dropping the charges for the baton, but you guys decided to pick up those charges? What was the reason for that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You guys charged me with the baton.
I'm not.
Well, my car was searched.
I'm not familiar with your case.
You're not familiar? You don't even want to take a moment to look it up?
No.
Really? You just don't care?
I believe your case was resolved.
Yeah, they told me to plea out because no matter what, I was going to get a year. So I was told by the attorney.
Well, that's a matter for the courts.
Yeah, but it was an illegal search on my vehicle. Did you guys help approve that?
I don't have an opinion on whatever happened.
Did you guys help approve that, though?
I don't know what you're talking about. So you have a good afternoon.
You don't know what I'm talking about, huh?
I am not familiar with the details of your case.
You've not even looked into it after all the times I've talked to you.
Your case is handled in court.
Your department is maliciously prosecuting people and breaking the law to prosecute them.
That's actually not true.
It is.
But I wish you a good day.
When I was in court, you know what you guys did? You came after me several times while you let other people that are actual criminals go. You're the worst city attorney, dude, ever. Wow. That's really all you have to say for yourself? Is that you're a jackass? Okay. So is Jeannie O available today? Can I talk to her? You guys just gonna be like this, huh? Okay. I'll just keep ringing that too. Member of the public needs customer service, please. You guys even have a bell if you don't even help people that are asking for help. Is everyone at lunch or something? There you go. Shut the door. Don't help anybody. As long as you get your money, do it for the love of money, 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 money. Hello, I need some customer service, please. Hello? Do you guys have a garbage back here? I gotta put this bottle in a here. I'll just set it on your counter for you. There you go. Hello? Anyone with integrity working here? Any honest, real, just people working here that are for the people? Hello? I mean, you could be a good city attorney and let me know everyone's out to lunch or something, maybe? Or maybe you could have people in here. Maybe no one wants to work here. You left a lot of paperwork on the table that I can see. Looks like people's private information. Might want to put that somewhere. I feel like I'm in a meditation retreat. This is nice. Kind of like that bell. Wow, the glass doesn't help, does it? Just leave important documents out on the table. So you guys gonna refuse me service? Thank you so much. I hope one day you end up in prison, sir. You're a criminal. You're a horrible person. And your staff obviously follows in your footsteps of corruption and abysmal failure. And you guys maliciously prosecute people. You should be ashamed of yourself. I really hope you end up in prison, sir. I really do. I hope you end up in prison.
You have a good afternoon.
I hope you end up in prison for the stuff you do, because you know what? One day, it's 1 penny is all it takes. Oh, thank you for throwing that away from me. I was looking for garbage. I didn't want to throw it on the floor.
We'll recycle it.
That should be your job right there. It might be your job in the future, picking stuff up like that off the side of the road. You know, because when you break people's rights or you violate people's rights like you guys do, you know what happens?
That's the matter for the
some
court,
people,
not this office.
Some people don't look too kindly to it like I do. I go to court and I take care of my business that way. And I'm not a violent person. I'm not making any threats of any kind. But there are other people in society that aren't like me that might actually take the stuff into their own hands. And you should be careful of that, because
compelled to tell us?
you maliciously prosecute people like you did to me. You got to be glad I'm not a person like that.
That sounds very threatening.
Oh, does it? You want to call the police right now and have them come down here then?
No.
Oh, okay. So it's not really a valid threat,
I think you know what you're doing. I think you're
I know what I'm doing?
time to harass this office.
Okay. So when you maliciously prosecute me when the DA drops charges, but you guys come after me anyways, that's what, occupying my time?
I think that's an excellent conversation for you to have with your judge.
Oh, I already had a conversation with the chief of police. I'm going actually to the courthouse next. So yeah, I will be having conversations with people about that. My judge? It's not my judge, dude. The judge works with you guys, the city attorney. You guys make deals like you do with the DA and the PD, right? You guys all work together, right, to get cases done and things like that?
We file cases independently based upon the evidence presented.
So why is Lady Justice not blindfolded? Isn't Justice supposed to be blind? Not in Burbank, huh?
You're entitled to your opinion.
Guilty before proven innocent? Well, that's what I've experienced here, sir.
Yeah.
Where you guys came after me.
I appreciate that you have many opinions.
Really?
And I think it's great that you can share them.
Yeah, I have a First Amendment too that I can do this too. See that? Yeah, First Amendment. It's nice. I love the First Amendment. Where I can say you're an asshole and things like that too.
Yeah, I hear you. You have a great afternoon.
Okay, so you're not even going to look into any of that stuff. You don't even care. That your department maliciously prosecutes people. Just so you know, in the future, I will be following up with you guys.
There's a process in the court for you to have all of those.
Yeah, there's a process that takes a lot of money and takes a lot of time to get a decent lawyer and things like that you guys know. And most people can't afford. That's why you do it. With a smirk on your face, dude. One day people aren't going to be as nice as I am, just so you know.
I have been incredibly patient with you.
No, you haven't.
I've given you my time on multiple occasions.
No, you haven't.
As you've actually mentioned on camera and counsel. In this very office, I've spoken. You
talked to me for a few moments and did the same thing you just did and walked off, dude.
Well, you're entitled to your opinions, and you're entitled to your day in court. So
I already dealt with my stuff in court on malicious prosecution where you guys set me up, where the DA dropped the charges, and then you guys brought charges anyways to the city attorney's office. Why?
You're entitled to your narrative.
Why?
I don't subscribe to your narrative. Have a nice afternoon.
Yeah, because that's all you are, is a snake tongue talker, dude. That'll catch up with you. You're the one that has to live with that. That's all you've got to say, huh? That's all you've got to say. God have mercy on you. What was your name again? What was your name again? You don't like to identify to the public? Aren't you a public servant? Mr. Big City Attorney. Do you have a card I can get from you?
So I've given you my time.
Okay, what's your name?
We disagree. You're aware of my name, but I will go get my
Yeah,
card.
would you please? I would love to have your bar number too. Can I get that too?
You can look it up on the internet.
Oh, you won't give it to me?
At this point, you're disrupting the operations of
Okay,
this
if you want to call the police, you can do that all you want because I'm just asking you
You're
questions.
disrupting the operations.
Oh,
of
so
this
you're going to make
office.
me a threat now? Threat with law enforcement to come with guns and stuff?
Get you my business card.
So you're going to threaten me with people with guns and stuff. Okay, cool. Got it. You're threatening me. Got it. You're a big tough guy, having other people do your dirty work. Is it Mendoza that works in your office? A little spicy Mendoza? So how does the city attorney prosecute someone for disorderly conduct when somebody else takes a snap of their videos and posts it on Facebook and I don't even use Facebook? How is that disorderly conduct? Shouldn't you guys be investigating who George Deshi is, who actually threatened an officer over here? I filed charges with the police department, who George Deshi is.
Your persistent narrative about a case that's...
Do you know who George Deshi is? Yeah, you guys prosecuted me. You guys prosecuted me.
Is disrupting the operations of this office.
Oh, okay.
Here's my business card.
Thank you, sir. If I'm disrupting, I'll leave then.
Please do.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. What was your name again?
It's on the card.
You won't even present who you are? Okay. Thanks, Joseph McDougall. Wow, that's a beautiful name. Thank you, almighty city attorney. Have a great day. Pleasure talking with you. Cause when you're a fucking city attorney, jackass. Hi, I made record requests a while ago. I need to find out about them.
Oh, okay, so Melissa's the one I talked to.
Oh, no one likes talking to me. Even the city attorney doesn't like talking to me.
Oh, she's the records manager.
Yeah, the city attorney hates me though. I just talked to him. Yeah, he's kind of a jerk. Oh, someone left this right here.
Oh, she's back in the
Oh, never mind. Looked like something serious with all those. So what's the reason why I haven't received anything yet?
So it depends on the department.
Oh, or it just depends on the city? Because Burbank doesn't like to give me any information. Is Miss Clark in today?
She is.
Awesome. Can I speak with her if she has a moment?
Definitely. What's her first name again?
You can just tell her Mr. Watson's here. I'm kind of done with the first name basis thing.
Wait.
You're not even listening. You don't hear nothing. You guys are not listening. You don't hear your words or anything bad. That's not how life works. No, it's too late now.
Meet you at the end of the hall. Finish the processing. So just go straight down the hallway. Up there. Look it up.
Hi.
Hi, Kimberly. How are you?
Good. How are you doing, Mr. Watson?
Oh, horrible.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I just had my younger brother die, so I got to go to that funeral.
Sorry.
Oh, I appreciate that. But I'm just trying to follow up and deal with all these people because I'm moving out of this state. I'm done with this place, as you can probably already know, especially when the chief secretary knows who I am. All these people know who I am because they watch all this stuff when I'm at city council and they quote that my attitude's horrible. I just was trying to follow up on why I haven't gotten any of the records I requested.
And just remind me, because I didn't handle it directly, was it court records? Was it police records? Court and
police.
Okay. I'm going to have to check with Melissa. She's helping the passport.
No, I know they're trying not to let me have any information because it's a major lawsuit. No, it's a major lawsuit.
We have an obligation to provide them within a certain statutory time frame and to reach out to you if we need more time. So would you be willing to wait a few minutes, or would you like us to look into it and email you or call you?
I can write my number down for you and stuff. I got other stuff. I got to work tonight and everything else, and I've been staying up, and I just talked to the chief for an hour, and then I tried to talk to the city attorney, and Joseph is kind of a spicy one, like all of his whole office. They like to come after people, and I really don't.